everyone, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to In Hunting City of Dubai, where luxury knows no bounds. Today we have the pleasure of taking you on an extraordinary journey through one of Dubai's most iconic hotels. Get ready to immerse yourself in the opulence and grandeur as we explore every lavish detail of this exquisite hotel room. Hey everyone, let's have Gadget Traveler here, and I'm thrilled to be your guide for this exclusive Dubai hotel room tour. We are about to witness the epitome of elegance, so let's not waste any time. Join me as we step into a world where dreams come true. Our adventure begins in the sprawling lobby of this magnificent hotel. The moment you enter, you are greeted by the perfect blend of contemporary design and traditional Arabic influences. From the sparkling chandeliers to the marble floors, every detail is meticulously crafted to create an atmosphere of grandeur. As we make our way through the lobby, we can't help but feel the sense of luxury that involves this place. The staff's warm hospitality makes you feel like royalty, and you know that your stay here will be nothing short of extraordinary. Now let's head up to the top floor, where our remarkable hotel room awaits as we ascend the anticipation bells. Just wait until you see what's in store for us. And here we are stepping into the lap of luxury. Welcome to our incredible hotel room. Take a look around and let me show you why this is truly a once in a lifetime experience. The living area in a testament to lavishness. It's adorned with plush sofas, exquisite artwork, and floor-to-ceiling windows that offer panoramic views of Dubai's stunning skyline. The attention to detail is impeccable, creating an ambience that both inviting and sophisticated. Imagine yourself sinking into these sumptuous sofas, enjoying the company of friends or family, and revelling in the breathtaking views. This is the epitome of relaxation of indulgence. As we move into the bedroom, get ready to be captivated by its sheer beauty. The room showcases a kind-sized bed fit for royalty, draped in the finest linens, ensuring a night of pure comfort and tranquility. The tasteful decor and soft lighting create a serene ambience perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring Dubai. Just imagine walking up to these incredible views, the golden rays of the sun casting a warm glow over the city. It's a sight that will take your breath away each and every day of your stay. Now let's step into an suite bedroom, where luxury meets indulgence. Prepare to be pampered in your very own oasis of relaxation. From the pristine marble finishes to the high-end fixture, no expense has been spared in creating this lavish haven. Take a look at this deep soaking tub, where you can soak away your worries while enjoying a glass of champagne. The rain shower offers a refreshing experience, and the array of luxurious amenities ensures that your every need is met. Stepping out onto the private balcony, you are greeted by a breathtaking panorama of Dubai iconic landmarks. From the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, to the magnificent Palam Jumeirah, the views from here are simply inspiring. Whether you are sipping your morning coffee or enjoying a sunset cocktail, this balcony is the perfect and good place to soak in the sight and sounds of this extraordinary city. Is mind-blowing. Our journey doesn't end there. This hotel offers a wide array of amenities that your every desire. Let's explore a few of them. This private balcony was created by breathtaking panorama of Dubai iconic landmarks from the world's tallest Burj Khalifa. They stay there and you enjoy every refreshing experience, and the array of luxurious amenities ensures that your every need is met. Also helpful to journey does not end here. This hotel offers a wide array of amenities that cater to your every desire. Let's explore a few of them. From the state-of-the-art fitness center that allows you to maintain your workout routine to the rejuvenating spa where you can indulge in luxurious treatments. This hotel truly offers a world-class experience. And let's not forget the stunning rooftop pool where you can bask in the sun and take a refreshing dip while enjoying breathtaking views of the city. It's the perfect place to unwind and create memories that will last a lifetime. You enjoy every moment of your journey. These are incredible, good, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Just imagine walk up to these incredible views, the golden rays of the sun casting a warm glow over the city. A sight that will take you breath each and every day of your stay is enjoyable. The Dubai is your dream city, because here we are stepping into the life of luxury. Welcome to our incredible hotel room. Take a look around and let me show you why this is truly once in a lifetime experience. Dubai is a beautiful city. It's every step, it's beautiful. Thank you for joining me on this incredible Dubai hotel room tour. This experience has been nothing short of extraordinary, and I hope it has transported you into a world of opulence and luxury. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you everyone to watch my channel. Thank you very much.